Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Aiko, Ryan Yesto, and for today's episode 10, mga must-try new products by Twistea. Welcome mga nose! So I have here new products by Twistea. And this is a sponsored video mga nose. I was invited by the owner of Twistea to feature their upcoming and new products in SM City, Iloilo, South Point. Ito yung mga nose. Kasi first time ko tong itry yung new products nila. And thank you so much Twistea and to the owners na for trusting Drinking Nose and trusting me to be the first and to feature episode 10. Cute ng colors niya. Perfect na perfect sa Christmas season. Be providing description down below for all the details regarding their flavors, their prices. So let's start mga nose. Very exciting. Our first product, this is their fruit base honey peach for 69 pesos, large size. Makita niyo yung fruit jelly niya sa baba. Tapos ito yung fruit base drink nila. Ang sarap kasi complement yung dalawang flavors niya, yung honey and also for the peach. Nagkikick in talaga mga nose yung peach flavor, tapos yung honey, medyo nasaan ko na siya aftertaste. Yung kanyang fruit jelly, ang sarap, hindi siya matigas. For our next product mga nose, coffee series, this is their Cappuccino for 69 pesos, large size. Wow! Ito mga nose, if you're a coffee lover or a fan of coffee, ang sarap nito. Yung kanyang coffee essence or cappuccino taste, nandun siya. And masuggest to sa mga coffee lovers or fan ng coffee. Meron siyang tapioca pearls, at the same time, meron siyang coffee jelly. Sulit na yung 69 pesos mo. And for their large size, magka-cleanser muna tayo para hindi mag-mix yung flavors na inom ko. For our next product natin mga nose, under Fruity Twist, this is Kiwi Bliss for large size, 79 pesos only. Kami niyang fruit jelly mga nose. Hindi ko siya muna i-mix. Ito, kapag hindi niyo na-mix mga nose, straight niyo siyang inumin, yung bottom part niya, ito yung kiwi essence niya. Similar taste siya ng green apple. Ito yung sweetness niya. Parang perfect combination siya ng asin